In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Wix. Transferring a domain can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll see it's a straightforward process. First, we need to head over to the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to make sure you do so. Simply enter your usual credentials and you'll be directed to your Wix account dashboard. Once you've reached your dashboard, you'll need to look for the Settings option. This is where you can manage all sorts of aspects about your account and its associated websites. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the Settings menu, you'll see an array of options. You're interested in managing your domain, so go ahead and click on Domain. This page is your dedicated hub for managing all your domains purchased or managed through Wix. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Spend a moment to locate the specific domain you want to transfer. When you find it, you'll notice there are 3 dots next to the domain's details. This is essentially a settings menu for that particular domain. Click on these 3 dots and you'll see an option to transfer away from Wix. Let's select that option. At this point, Wix will take you through a quick review of the details pertinent to your domain transfer. It's important to pay attention here to ensure that the information is accurate and what you expect it to be. Once you're satisfied with the details, you will proceed by clicking the Transfer button. Now, the next crucial part is obtaining the authorization code. Wix will either display the authorization code directly or send it to you via email, depending on your settings. Once you have this authorization code, it's essential to keep it safe. This code is the key to unlocking your domain transfer process, as you will need to provide this code to the new domain provider to complete the transfer. And that's it. You've initiated the process of transferring your domain away from Wix. Remember that domain transfers may take a few days to complete, as different registrars have varying processing speeds. If you followed all the steps correctly, all you need to do now is wait for your new domain registrar to process the transfer with the authorization code you provided. I hope this tutorial has clarified how to transfer a domain from Wix step by step. Remember, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix support or your new domain provider for assistance. Transferring domains can require a little patience, but with these instructions, you should be well on your way. Thank you for watching and good luck with your domain transfer.